Hello friends, Artist Resin Sudha here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today's video is dedicated to those who are suffering from lupus. I will be making pink purple colored earrings. I have selected rose red mica pigments and some purple glitters for these earrings. So today's video is a part of collaboration that is hosted by June Ramasamy from June's House of Crafts, Miss Julia from Julia's Crafty Chaos, and Crafty YouTubers United. So let's just watch the process and listen to some music. What is lupus? I always wondered about it when I watched in news that Selena Gomez was diagnosed with it. Then I heard my lovely craft community friends like June and Miss Beverly also have it. I always wondered about this autoimmune disease. What is it? How one gets it? How is it diagnosed? And many more such questions. First, let's see what is it. It's an autoimmune inflammatory disease caused when the immune system attacks its own tissues. It can affect your joints, skin, kidneys, blood cells, brain, heart, or lungs. Its common symptoms are constant fatigue, joint pain, rash, and fever. There is no cure for lupus, but the medications can help in managing the symptoms and trying to avoid the things that cause the flare-ups. Lupus can be managed with following a certain lifestyle and medications that include anti-inflammatory medications. The reason why people get lupus are still unknown, but predictions are there that it might happen because of genetics and the environment we live in. People with it can have normal lifespan if they regulate it with their lifestyle and proper medications. So, I would like to urge my friends and families who have it not to get disheartened by the fact that you have it. I'm sure you all are brave souls and conquer this baddie with your willpower and lifestyle. Okay, talks are done. Let's take a look at these. These came out pretty. I will add these beautiful stickers on them and then top coat them off camera.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again.
I have added top coat of camera on each piece. Now I will add the earring attachments to these. And these are done. Do you like this? If you like this, please press the like button, comment, share and subscribe. And before going, I would like to mention once again that today's video is dedicated to all lupus survivors. It's a part of a collaboration that is hosted by June, Miss Julia and Crafty YouTubers United. I have added the playlist link where you can find all other artists who have showcased their tribute artworks. Please watch their videos and support them too. Much love to you all. Bye.